Hi, this is Abid Malik from Abid Financials. Today we are going to discuss QuickBooks Online Certification Exam Level 1 in Section 1. Basically, I am going to discuss the practical questions of the exam where you can practice your uh, study materials before going to exams. These questions are taken from QuickBooks actual exams and practice questions. So it will help you a lot in your exam while doing preparation of your exam. So I am going to discuss with you the 30 questions of section 1, specifically section 1's. So I assure you more than 80% question will be from these sample question. Let's start our first questions, and these are the questions, and these are the possible questions. Before sitting in the exam, you can practice on these questions. First question is, being a pro advisor comes with a range of benefits. Where can you find out more about in QuickBooks Accountant? There are four options: Work Center, Pro Advisor Centers, Accountant Tools, and General Setting Gear. Second question, why is the best to access your clients' QuickBooks accounts through QuickBooks Online Accountant? And select an option and select the submit. It's only way to gain access to several QuickBooks Online Accountant, give you access to accountant only features, automatically track the time you spend working on each client, and it will automatically bill your client for any work done. So this was the second question with four options. This is third one. Where can you enable accounts number for chart of accounts? Four option: dashboard center, advanced setting, advanced tab in setting, clients overview center, and reports. Next question is, chart of account is backbone of QuickBooks. It can be accessed in a number of places. Which of these are not one of these ways? There are four options: accountant tools, transactions center, report center, general setting bar. Next question, pro advisor is talking to a potential new clients about working together. How could an understanding of QuickBooks and Intuit solution help pro advisors in this conversation? These are the four options. You may review them. Next question is, which QuickBooks payroll plan comes with QuickBooks Time as a part of subscription? These are the four options: Elite only, Premium and Elite, all plans, none. Next question, QuickBooks provides a sample company, a QuickBooks Online Plus account that you can use to try out QuickBooks features without making any changes in your client's accounts. From where can you access these? These are the four options: General Setting Gear, Pro Advisor Center, Bookkeeping tab, Accountant Tools, Transaction Center. Next question, which of the following statement about creating a credit memo from existing invoice is in QuickBooks is true? These are the four options. Which of the following statements about introduction of Intuit assets is true? These are the four options. You can review them and give the answer. Diane Dolit wants to quickly check WhatsApp a client is connected on. Open the client's QuickBooks Online company from our client's dashboard. Where can she see which apps are connected to the client's accounts? From within client's QuickBooks Online company. These are the five options. Where can you enable accounts number for an existing chart of accounts? These are four options: customization option, chart of accounts tab in accounts and setting, advanced tab, and enable the accounts slide for. I think this one is correct answer. What are two billing options you can choose from when setting up a QuickBooks Online subscription? In QuickBooks Online Accountant for your client, 3-year commission, pro advisor discount, revenue share, direct discount, 2-year commission. So these are the options. Next question is, which type of transaction can be categorized by product service in the bank feed? These are three options. Which statement is true when importing list into QuickBooks Online? These are the five options you may review. Thomas would like his customers to see the full invoice details from within the email itself and have PDF attached. Where should he navigate to make these changes? These are the four options. Brain just completed a client need assessment and his clients confirmed that she will require profitability tracking, needs to create the budget purchase order in her accounting solution. These are the five options. Which four list type can be directly imported into QuickBooks Online from Excel? These are list of options. Which Intuit solution can be connected to QuickBooks Online and synchronize with customer order data to create and support marketing for client businesses? These are the four options: Solopreneur and QuickBooks Capital, Payroll, and MailChimp. Which section in new client checklist help you understanding your clients need to determine features and solution required? Features and solutions, clients need assessment, client profile, onboarding. Next question, which two QuickBooks subscription level would support a client who will need to track inventory, create purchase orders? These are the option. To which three subscription does the ProAdvisor's pricing program apply? Which billing option would you choose if you want to Intuit to bill your client? Which three of these features are benefit of QuickBooks Online Payroll? When advising a client the best QuickBooks plan and Intuit products that might be right for them, which of these is the most important thing to understand? Susan has complained there are too many accounts to choose from in her chart of accounts. What are two ways you can clean up chart of accounts to reduce number of accounts? Which two QuickBooks Online Payroll subscription levels include QuickBooks Time? Following statements about clients list are true. These are the four options. What are two ways to update chart of account to suit the needs of your clients? These are some questions where their wordings are changed, so their options are also changed, so don't worry about them. When you would recommend merging accounts to a client, so these are the options. What does QuickBooks Online do if try to import a customer that already exists in the company? Which existing list records can be updated with new information we are importing? If you have clients using Intuit Enterprise Suite, how should you access your account? So this is a latest questions which is input by QuickBooks in the exam, because QuickBooks launched Enterprise in the previous month. So all these questions were discussed here. If you want to know the question and answers of the exam, you may visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials, where you shall find a lot of materials here, where you can find UK company filing accounts and bookkeeper certification level 2 exam answers, and the UK exam answer, Canada exam answers, and study material of level 1, study material of level 2, and other stuffs. So share with your friends, and if you have any question and if you want to have this this question sheet in a PDF format, please mention in the comment section. I shall send you at your email address. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.